So today I'm going to show you how to make the topsy-turvy triangle quilt. It takes these two templates, StashTools T1 and StashTools T2. The first thing you do is take StashTools T1, lay it on a 2.5-inch strip, and cut the whole template out. Using this cut right here, you flip it over to the B line and cut another one. Using this cut, you cut it over to the A line and cut another one. So what you end up with is a C piece, a B piece, and an A piece. Using the second template, you cut on a 3.5-inch strip, you cut one, point up, point down, point up, point down. So how we assemble this is, first you sew your A piece on all your centers, then you sew your B piece on all your centers, and then you sew your C piece on all your centers, and that makes the topsy-turvy triangle block. So for me, I hate it when I buy a template set and they only do one thing. So the topsy-turvy template set can do a quilt. It can also do a Christmas tree skirt. It can also do a placemat. And I've also designed this table runner. Oh, it's so easy to make that my 93-year-old father makes all our samples.